looking?
Pretty good. There's some specks of...
Oh, look at this, like damage here.
I'm happy there's no huge mold explosions and stuff like that.
Today, we're getting the boat set up.
Tomorrow we'll relax on the boat and get the trampolines done. Hey, you guys want to watch a rocket launch? We're gonna go get these measurements.
It's time to get these repairs and upgrades going.
Yeah, I had no idea. I figured we just like here to here.
No.
And we're done.
Good job, peace.
We've been away from Calypso for a while now. Coming back on board is always exciting, as well as nerve-wracking. You never know what systems might have developed issues while we were gone. So it was time to test everything and get the boat running again. So far, so good.
How's it looking?
Pretty good.
Yeah, I think it looks real good, actually.
There's some specks of...
Oh, well, that's nothing, yeah. It's gonna be dirty for sure.
Yeah, but it looks
Sitting.
really good.
Yeah. Oh, look at this, like damage here. Like condensation or something.
If that's all we find, we're winning. It's amazing how a boat can break when you aren't even running it. We opened everything up and turned everything on to test it. Overall, it seems really good.
You happy back?
Yeah, I am. Are you?
Yeah. Bryn, what do you think? Nothing.
I'm happy there's no huge mold explosions and stuff like that.
I'll open the through halls and see if we can get these ACs running with some heat.
Yeah. Definitely needs like a good cleaning though.
Yeah, for sure.
We're back at it. After a few months away, it felt great to get the boat set up and working again.
We have laundry sitting here. We did a bunch of it today, but I think we're pretty much done. How you guys doing?
Tired.
Yeah, you guys worked hard today. Well, that was great. We got settled in. You know, the laundry's still sitting out there. We have to get rid of that, but tomorrow we'll relax on the boat and get the trampolines done.
Yeah, we did a good push today.
Yeah.
We cleaned up, got it organized, and tomorrow should be hopefully more relaxing.
Good morning. After a nice night on the boat, we're ready to get these tasks started.
Today we're going to go ahead and measure for the new trampolines. We're using a place called multihullnets.com. This was recommended to us from Dave, who did all the electrical stuff on the boat. Our trampolines have been falling apart. This is twice now. You can actually see over there where I have the red line holding it together just in case like someone were to step on it. That's the second pair that we've put on the boat. We got it from Antares, but I want to go with a different one. Dave said this is really good. So today what we're going to do is we have to measure all these dimensions to make sure that it fits, because all the Antares, believe it or not, are a little bit different. So they had to be pretty custom. So that's what we're going to go ahead and knock out. What are you doing?
Waiting for you to stop talking.
You don't have to wait. It's all good. How are you?
Good.
How was school today?
Good.
You have a friend coming to see you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Reese has an old friend that he used to play with. Hi, ladies. Hi, Bryn.
Hi.
So how do you like the boat, Bryn, now that you come back?
Good.
Good. Bryn seems to like it. She's climbing all over.
Yes.
You want to help me do the measurements today?
I do. It's very windy out there.
Yeah,
so
but I'm going to need you
away.
to help me, pull from one side to the other.
It's starting to get a little hot. It was cold, hot,
Yeah.
windy. It's all
I
over
know,
the
I'm
place. So
sweating.
I'm going to get changed and then I'll be all yours.
How's that long division going?
Good.
You like it? Is it your favorite?
I'll say adding's my favorite.
Oh.
You know, if you're going to be the captain of the boat, you need to know math.
Or be a fighter pilot.
Here's the thing. This isn't math though.
Yes, it is.
Mommy measured.
That's math.
That's a part of math.
Kids on a boat means not only maintenance, but you also have to keep school and activities going. It would be simple if it was one or the other. Both can be tricky, but we do pretty well.
Hey, you guys want to watch a rocket launch?
Yeah.
All right, come on out.
Come out.
Okay. You know what? Go back in. It's too cloudy. I didn't realize it. We won't even see it. All right, we can go back in. Sorry about the false alarm. Hey, we're going back in. No, good shot. Is it bedtime? Okay, you coming down?
Go down.
Fussing and everything, whining and all. Good job, Peace. Time for bed. I love you.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, honey. You can do it. She's so like, no. Actually, she really enjoyed her bed last night. Who's in there? Oh, Baby Shark. Who else is in there? That's Baby Shark.
Give me some new Loo-hoo.
How's school going? Still going?
Yeah.
Nice.
Waiting for Mom to check my answers, make sure it's right.
Oh. Do you want Dad to check them? Yeah, because he knows Dad keeps it real.
Reese, I need your help.
Oh. A little action from down there. Uh-oh. Something that only the second mate can do.
Can you crawl back there and turn off the light?
Oh.
Look, here comes Reese. And also put her camera upright.
She's like, oh no.
This works well.
Good job, Reese. Say thanks, Reese. High five, homie. We're gonna go get these measurements, but I need you because you gotta like, you know, be on both sides of the trampoline because it's pretty precise. I mean, it's like, you know, whatever, like 5/8, 91 and 5/8. It's pretty perfect. Like it's pretty picky.
Wow, let me see that. That's a crazy schematic.
Yeah, I never showed it.
Oh, okay. I'm excited to fix these trampolines. They're
Yeah.
all ripped up. Kind of ripped right where I anchor, and then it ripped on the other side. And if I'm picking up a mooring ball or throwing lines, and you're not thinking, you're just walking, right?
It just gets dry rotted.
Yeah, I
And
know.
this is the second time we've replaced these.
Yeah. So hopefully these other ones last longer.
We've been needing new trampolines for a while now. It's great that we finally have the time to get this done. Plus, the new ones are supposed to be super nice. I can't wait to see them.
All the Antares are just a little bit different. So this is kind of like a base model, but you have to fine tune it to your boat. And it can be like just a few little ticks off. So we went through, we did both sides. It was way more in depth than I thought it would be.
Yeah, the measurements are pretty detailed.
Yeah, I had no idea. I figured we just like here to here and we're done.
No.
But it goes to like the dot, the center, you're using ropes. It's pretty interesting. It was a little bit hard to navigate with the wind, and so when you submit these, look at how they look. Like,
Well, I used my tiny scanner app, whatever, and it just made a PDF.
it made it look better. It looks like you crumpled it up and then submitted it. So it's done. Hopefully they work out. Yeah, I'm excited. They're gonna streamline us because they've been working with us for a while. Otherwise, I think it's usually like a 5 to 6 week. Hopefully we have them back in 2 weeks.
So now it's time to celebrate. After nap time, we'll go have dinner and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Yeah, and I'm gonna kind of go through the kids' toys and stuff and try to get rid of some stuff and make it more organized in the meantime.
We hopped off the boat and had a nice dinner as a family. I'm not quite ready to start cooking on Calypso yet, so this was nice.
We smelled a bunch of cat piss. We don't have a cat.
No.
Jeremiah.
Well, yeah, I thought maybe it got wet in here, but I think it's just one of these things. Like you can tell there's a little bit of mold on this.
We're gonna wrap them up, put them in a garbage bag, and bring them to a good washing machine.
Yeah. I'm just gonna stick all this shit in here.
Everything must go.
Well, it's not. I'm not gonna take everything. I'm just gonna take clothes.
What are you two doing?
Playing
What are we playing?
this, these, just doing random stuff.
These.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Can you get a third with random balls on the table? Nope.
Oh man.
Only got 2.
Coming up next time,
Mold outbreak.
we'll find some mold to clean up,
We jumped the water maker off today. Rip this out, and we're gonna install a blue water maker.
and we'll get some big replacements.
Honey, it's not Christmas. Why is Mom making your bed?
as well as keeping the family operating.
So I got his computer set up, his iPad.
There's lots to come. Stay tuned. You can visit us at www.thelazygeckos.com. You can also see more on our server and Vimeo channels. Please subscribe and check out these other episodes. See you next time.